Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by parking level and disconnecting the negative battery. This prevents shorts when you work near the compressor. Once the refrigerant is recovered by a certified shop or confirmed empty, lift the car and remove the lower splash shield to access the compressor. Next, rotate the serpentine tensioner to release the drive belt and remove it from the compressor pulley. Make sure to label hoses and electrical connectors so reassembly is straightforward. This saves time and prevents mistakes later. You now unbolt the compressor mounting bolts while supporting the unit. Compressors are heavy and will fall if you let go. Once loose, disconnect the electrical connector and the refrigerant lines. Use caps to keep contaminants out and note O-ring sizes for replacement. Compare the new compressor to the old one for clutch, pulley, and mounting hole alignment. This avoids surprises during installation. Also inspect the condenser and receiver dryer for metal debris, because contamination will ruin a new compressor quickly. You install the new compressor using fresh O-rings, lightly lubricated with PAG oil, and torque the mounting bolts to factory spec. Once mounted, vacuum the system to about -29 inches of mercury to remove moisture and verify hold. Then charge with the correct refrigerant quantity and add oil per the parts list. Start the engine, engage a /C, and observe high and low side pressures while listening for abnormal noise. If the clutch won't engage or you see leaks, shut down and recheck electrical, line seals, and manifold readings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.